Welcome back. If square root of 2223 square minus 8888, we have to find the value of it but without using calculator. So let's get started. Let this value is equal to x and we have to find the value of x. So x is equal to 2223 square minus 8888 can be written as 4 times 2222. Suppose this value is equal to a, so a minus 1 will be equal to 2223. By putting the value of these in the equation, we have this is equal to a square minus 4 times this is equal to a minus 1. After multiplying, we get 4a minus and minus plus 4. And this is all equal to a minus 2 whole square. Here square and root will be cancelled out. We have x is equal to a minus 2 and we suppose the value of a as 2223. So putting the value of a, we get 2221, which is the required value of x. I hope it is clear. Don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe this channel for more videos.